I'm Big Belly.
And I'm Bumbles.
There she is.
I'm Bumbles.
And together we are...
Turn around. Together,
Big Belly
Bumbles.
Bumbles.
Good morning, everybody. This is Saturday, July the 26th, 2025. Last weekend in July. And I have a birthday coming up next week. The last day of July is my birthday, July 31. So Stephen taught me a new term. Well, I mean, I've always known the expression basket case. I mean, I have been accused of being a basket case. I have been told, well, you're just a basket case. I have been accused of being a basket case, but Stephen has educated me on where the origin of the terminology basket case came from. So we're putting this motorcycle, it's not really a basket, but it's a plastic container. And so it's being, well, packed up like somebody's moving out of an office, but we're packing up this really sad looking motorcycle. And he said that's where the terminology basket case comes from. When you are packing something up and putting it in a box. And so I guess that we have a basket case. Is that a Harley, Stephen?
No, it's a Suzuki.
Oh, a Suzuki. Oh, Kawasaki?
It's Suzuki or
Kawasaki or something.
I don't know what it is. It's not American.
It's
got whatever that emblem there is.
Oh, okay. Maybe it's a Kawasaki or something.
Who knows?
But anyway, this behemoth of a machine has been taking up valuable real estate in our garage since October. This is, as I told you, July the 26th, and it has been sitting on this motorcycle stand since October. Our pastor's son had all kinds of ambitions, great ambitions to, and you can go back and look at the videos. In fact, I might link them at the end of this video. Our pastor's son had great ambitions of putting together this motorcycle. But then I guess he thought that Stephen was going to build his motorcycle for him, I guess. And Stephen's not going to build somebody else's motorcycle, even if it is our pastor's son. Not going to happen. So the pastor and his son are supposed to come get this thing today. They're supposed to bring a trailer and come get it and haul it away. It's never going to be put back together. Nathan did buy another bike, and then he ended up selling that bike. So he sold a working motorcycle. And this one is obviously has seen better days. So, you got the tires in there somewhere, don't you?
No, he's got them.
Oh, he's got the
That
tires.
was the big problem, is because it's sitting there on my jack, and I got these motorcycles in there. I can't get it past that motorcycle because it doesn't have tires. So
Well, why
if
did?
it had tires on it, I could roll it around.
So why are the tires at his house? Why did he want
He was
them?
going to do something with them, get them fixed or whatever.
Oh,
'cause
yeah,
they were
that's right.
rotten And the spokes was broken, and he really got ripped off big time. So they sold that bike to him for $1,800, and it wasn't worth $100.
But he's young and he has to learn.
Yeah, well, we live in a very evil world, and people are after your money, and they'll lie to your face and swear to God. Forgive me, Father, for saying that, and swear to God that everything they're saying is the truth. There's a fender missing, and I can't seem to find it.
Yeah, Stephen hasn't been able to do anything with his bikes and start them up since October and get them out, except for the purple one. He's able to get the purple one out, but these other two bikes he hasn't been able to start up because Nathan's bike was in the way.
Well, it's not anymore. And if he didn't come get it here in a couple minutes, I'll load it in the truck and take it down there.
Yeah, they were supposed to be here 30 minutes ago.
Well, I don't know where the front fender is. I don't see it anywhere. He might have came down here and took it. That's the only thing I can figure. When he came down here and gutted all those parts out of it, he must have took the fender, because the fender was sitting right there. It was not sitting there anymore. But anyway, all right, well, what time is it?
It's about 11 o'clock. They were supposed to be here at 10:30.
Well, I guess I'll just go load it up and take it to them. Sometimes you just got to do what you got to do.